Welcome to the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop, woodworking with an Appalachian flair.
This is Jerill with the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop with today's shop tip. I'm putting a leg on a bench and the leg is splayed at 3 degrees. Now I'm using a Domino to put a loose tenon or the mortise in the bottom of the bench. So I wanted to show you how I did that. I've got marked where the leg goes, and I line up the leg and get the right distance from the edge with my little square. Then I take the cutoff. This is the piece that was cut off of the leg. It still has a 3-degree angle on it. So I put that right here and it matches up perfect. And then clamp it into place. Now I can take my Domino, rest it on the bottom of the bench, loosen the angle, and now just tilt it back until it matches perfect. And then it's just a matter of cutting the mortise. So this is Jerill with today's shop tip from the Appalachian Heritage Woodshop. Remember, be proud of your Appalachian heritage.